Good morning! How are you guys? I'm driving.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers!
We are driving. Now we are, stopped at the traffic light, and so I can do it. No risky.
Happy to see you again!
We are driving through Palermo, the capital of Sicily, and we wanna gift you something special. Today we wanna visit, we wanna climb up. Now I have to go. Okay, I wanna show you our goal. Rosella, please show the mountain where we are going to. Mount Pellegrino, guys, the most famous mountain in the area of Palermo.
With a beautiful and stunning landscape. This is the best place to enjoy a beautiful landscape, a beautiful view here in Palermo. Is a must-see location. If you want to enjoy Palermo from the top.
But Mount Pellegrino is so important, so popular for two reasons. So the most important is, of course, Santa Rosalia, the patron saint of Palermo. Rosella, perhaps we have to go in the other way, because I think there is a better road to reach Mount Pellegrino. We don't have to climb Mount Pellegrino.
Do you want to go by foot? Do you want to try? Later we can explain.
Oh, look at the oranges.
So this is Palermo. Let me switch. We are in the area named called Fiera. We are not in the historic center, but we are not so far from the historic center. Of course, you need to take the car, and it's time to enjoy this trip with us. Vi facciamo vedere da dove prendiamo, Gianca.
So you have two ways to climb up Mount Pellegrino. The first is walking, barefoot. This is not the case. We are doing the driving road. So that's the walking road. It's very interesting because we didn't say nothing at all about Santa Rosalia. So Rosella,
if you want, I can.
So
okay.
We start again. We made a lot of confusion. The first reason to visit Mount Pellegrino is because of Santa Rosalia. Santa Rosalia is the patron saint of Palermo. There is a beautiful church on the top of Mount Pellegrino, into a cave. It's a beautiful, beautiful church where the sacred, the immortal remains of Santa Rosalia stay in peace, rest in peace. So all the Palermitan people used to celebrate Santa Rosalia, in particular on July 15, and the faithfuls used to climb up the mountain barefoot. It's a very interesting road Now you can see some people who are going there by bike. A lot of people, a lot of sportmen used to go there by bike. Many people run to the top of the mountain, but Rosella and I are lazy, and so we are going by car. Oh, look at the Gulf. This is just the preview of the beautiful view that you can have from the mountain.
Vai piano, se no si perde la connessione, capito?
Guys, please give us a feedback about the internet connection. Can you see us? Can you understand what we are saying? What about the audio? What about the video?
Please write in the comments below, because we want your feedback. Can you hear us? Alzami il... Yes.
Okay.
Perfect. So we were talking about Santa Rosalia, the patron saint of Palermo, and so please go on.
So let's start from the beginning, from the starting point. Santa Rosalia was a girl from a noble family, a noble Norman family. So we are talking about the 1100, so the time when the Normans ruled Sicily. She didn't accept her noble life, so she decided to leave her family. She was born in Santo Stefano di Quisquina, a village in the center of Sicily, in the heart of Sicily. Oh, look at the seagull, Rosella.
Wow!
Oh, too late.
I think they have seen.
So she was born in Santo Stefano di Quisquina. Oh, this is a beautiful view. This is the second reason. Sorry, guys, if I interrupt my speech. This is the second reason to visit Mount Pellegrino, the Utveggio Castle. This is a modern castle from the early 1900. Utveggio was the last owner.
Over there you can see the trail. If you want to reach the mountain by foot.
So I was talking about Santa Rosalia. Santa Rosalia decided to leave her family in Santo Stefano di Quisquina and came to Palermo, about 1 hour from Santo Stefano. She stayed and she lived the rest of her life into a cave on Mount Pellegrino. That's the place where we are going to. That cave was so important. So before Santa Rosalia, that cave was considered a sacred place, a sacred location. Now we are going to show you a Punic chapel, a Punic altar. So Punic means Phoenician. So that place was so important, sacred, also for Carthaginians, also for ancient Greeks, also for Arabs. Then the Christians came, and they decided to convert that place in a Christian chapel, in a Christian location. Many people, many experts say the reason has to do with the water that comes out from the rock. They say that that water is so healthy. It's a sort of miracle. You wanna stop?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is just a preview of Palermo from the. We are not on the top. We are not on the top yet. Look at that, guys. You can see the harbor, Palermo. You can see the mountains that surround Palermo. As I always mention, Palermo was named Conca d'Oro, the gold basin, the gold shell, because now you can see a lot of buildings. It's not a beautiful landscape. Actually, is a very bad view, but you have to imagine this view 70, 80 years ago, even less. Palermo, at least the surroundings of Palermo were gardens of citrus. So imagine this view, a big garden with oranges, with mandarins, with tangerines, with grapefruits, with what else?
La Conca d'Oro.
Lemons, of course.
La Conca d'Oro. The yellow, the
gold basins, the gold shell. Because Palermo, as you can see, is completely surrounded by mountains. And Mount Pellegrino is just one of these mountains. As you can see, as you have seen, there are many mountains. We have Monte Cuccio, Monte Grifone, and so imagine this beautiful shell, just like a shell, completely covered by citrus. And now everything has changed. As you can see, there are many buildings over there. But this
is the trail. Please, Gianca, show this.
So this is the trail, the sacred trail, one of the part of the trail to get the Santuary of Santa Rosalia. And imagine people walking very slowly, some people on their knees, some people barefoot.
Yeah.
And this is July 15, the day when I had to come back again to my story. So I was talking about Santa Rosalia. Santa Rosalia was a young lady who left her noble family in Santo Stefano di Quisquina, a village in the heart of Sicily. Oh, look at that. This is full of prickly pears. Wow. And she left Santo Stefano di Quisquina. She came to this mountain. She came to the cave on the top of the mountain. As I mentioned before, it was a sacred location for the ancient Carthaginians, for the Arabs, and also for the Christians, because of thanks to the healthy water that comes out from the rock. So what has happened? During the 1600, Palermo was suffering the pestilence. All the people prayed the previous patron saints of Palermo, because now Santa Rosalia is the current patron saint. But in the 1600 we had other patron saints. We had Santa Ninfa, Santa Cristina, Santa Oliva. People asked for a miracle. People asked for stopping the pestilence, and the pestilence was everlasting. So there was no possibility to stop this very bad situation. Suddenly, two persons had a dream. A sick lady and a hunter dream about Santa Rosalia. In particular, the hunter saw in his sleep, in his dream, Santa Rosalia saying, "Please come or go to Mount Pellegrino and find my bones. Discover my bones, take my bones, and go to Palermo." Did I mention that we are in the 1600? Yeah, so about 500 later, the life of Santa Rosalia. Santa Rosalia was dead 5 centuries before. So she appeared in a dream, in a very funny way, to a hunter, and she said, "Please, find my bones into a cave on Mount Pellegrino, on the top of Mount Pellegrino. Take my bones. Go down to the city. Do a procession with my bones, and I will rescue the town. I will rescue all the Palermitan people from the pestilence." And this is what they did. They made a procession, and the pestilence was over immediately. So it was July 15, 1624, about 400 years ago. And we used to celebrate the feast of Santa Rosalia each year, July 15. A lot of people used to climb up Mount Pellegrino to reach the cave, to reach the church. Now it's a beautiful sanctuary. Again, this is another path, another trail.
But also the day before we celebrate a big party, a big festival on the street, un festino.
You're right, Rosella. On July 14, we make a huge party, a huge event in Palermo.
Because you know, for Sicilian people, one day is not enough to celebrate a big party, and so we need 2 days to celebrate Santa Rosalia. So 14.
But I have to say, I've been to Brooklyn, New York, and they celebrate Santa Rosalia not 1 day, not 2 days, but 1 week, or at least 5 days. I'm not sure, but for sure they celebrate for a longer time. And so, as Rosella said, on July 14, so the night before, we have a big event all around the town with fireworks, with musicians, with dancers, and imagine about 1 million people walking down the streets of Palermo, a big crowd. It's an invasion. Oh, this is so important. I would like to stop because I don't know if we have the opportunity to see later the view. Rosella, I think you have to get off.
Yeah.
So this is the view of Palermo. And this is the other view, the view to the north. That's Capogallo, Mount Gallo, another important mountain. And behind that mountain, behind that hill, there is Mondello Beach.
E questo è il parco della Favorita, no?
And this is this green spot you can see down is the Favorita Garden Nature Reserve. It's one of the most important parks in Sicily. And there you can see the Mediterranean Sea. Actually, it's the Tyrrhenian Sea.
As you can see, today is very cloudy. Maybe the winter time is coming again because yesterday we had a lot of rain and also gels. The grandine com'è?
I see rain.
Icy rain.
It was not snow.
No.
It was icy rain.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
This side.
I drive.
And
oh, we had also the. You can see. I didn't clean my car. Can you see, guys? This is a secret. This is the dust from Mount Etna. Rosella, would you say something about Mount Etna?
Mount Etna is erupting.
Mount
so
Etna
far.
is so active now, and we had an incredible surprise because we are not so close from Mount Etna. We are in Palermo, so in the other side of Sicily. It's about 200 miles, more or less. 180 miles. So it's not so close, it's distant. But Mount Etna is so active now. And we had a big surprise because we had the dust from Mount Etna in Palermo. It's incredible. So the dust fell down because we had some rainy day. We had, first of all, we had some very foggy days, but it was not fog. It was not, how do you say, for example, when we have the Scirocco wind, the sky is not clear. No, it was the dust of Mount Etna into the sky. So it rained and the dust fell down. We swept the dust from our terraces, for example. And my car is still dirty of the dust from Mount Etna. So incredible. Now we are approaching the Santuary of Santa Rosalia.
Yeah, the beautiful church. And I would like also to say that on September the 4th is the day of the death And there is another procession, a religion procession.
No, September the 4th is the day when Santa Rosalia passed away.
Yes.
No, you said the day of the death. It's another thing. La festa dei morti. No, no.
Santa Rosalia's death.
Santa Rosalia's death, yeah, September 4th. September the 4th is also another celebration.
But only religious, no
nothing to compare with July 15th. Get off, Rosella.
Yeah.
It's time to visit the sanctuary. Take the mask. Don't forget the mask.
No.
Don't forget your gloves.
I need a jacket, so I can put here. Okay.
It's a pity, guys. Usually this place is full of people. Now we are again in a partial lockdown.
Because we are
orange color. It's the level. No.
Sorry.
Rosella.
I'm terrible.
So, Rosella, ma io dico, ma così ci porta? Staccato il microfono. Ti farà sempre così se ti... Sorry guys.
Ok. Devo prendere il giubbotto.
So this is the... When we talk about bad things such as the lockdown, this is the result. Vieni. Che ci fai con la bandiera? So, as I said, this is a place, it's very sad to see all those bars, restaurants, shops. There are many stores completely vacant, completely closed. But we hope better times will come back soon. So this is the stairway to the sanctuary. And now we reach the famous cave of Santa Rosalia. Perhaps we have time to read the comments.
Facciamo prima la visita e poi li leggiamo all'uscita, Gianca.
Better we ask a feedback. Guys, as you can see, our gimbal, our stabilizer and cell phone fell down. I ask you a feedback. Can you hear us? Can you see us?
Check,
Please,
check.
write
Dear
in the
Sicily,
comment.
Dear Sicily lovers, can you hear us? Check, check. It's very strange to see this place so empty, because we are in March, and normally we have tourists also in this period of the year. So as you can see, there is a beautiful rock, and the church is just inside the rock.
Okay, guys. Now we stop talking.
Yes, we have to respect the silence, because inside, of course, there is a place. The bells for us to celebrate our visit.
Good sign. Now we stop talking because we are entering a sacred location. So when we come out, we will read your comments.
Yeah.
So be ready to say wow.
And I would like to say that inside you can see different shapes. They are the vote, no?
Yeah. Ex voto.
Ex voto, sì.
So the first thing we will show you, perhaps we can whisper. We don't have to scream, okay?
Yeah.
We can whisper.
It's difficult
We
for
will
me,
see
guys, of course.
the Punic location, and then the church. Let's go. So this is the location sacred to Carthaginians, then to Arabs, and then to Christians, where the sacred healthy water comes out. And now we enter the cave. And now we enter the cave.
Guys, what do you think about this place?
Oh, this is another important view. Look at that, Rosella.
Yeah. As you can see, we are surrounded by nature because over there is a beautiful place, una riserva, reserve.
No, you didn't need, you didn't see. Look at better. Look at that
Yeah.
point better.
Yes.
Guys, I'm zooming. Actually, you can see it, but you have to believe me. This is an isle. This is the Isle of Women. The island of women. Isola delle Femmine. So guys, when you think about the sanctuary of Santa Rosalia behind us, where is? Oh, that's the mountain. So actually, it's a very beautiful place, a beautiful location to visit. No matter if you believe or not in God, in the saints, if you are Christian, if you are Muslim, if you are Buddhist, this is a very powerful place.
Yeah.
You can feel the energy. That's why Arabs, Normans, Phoenicians, Carthaginians, ancient Greeks chose this place as a sacred place. It's a very powerful place with a very, very strong energy.
Yeah.
And
And we need to visit this place. We decide to visit this place today because, as you know, we are working very hard on our new project dedicated to all our beautiful Sicily lovers family, members of our family. And so we decided to visit this place today to recharge our soul, our mind.
I would like to add something. I would like to make a parallelism. I don't know if it's correct. Just like a metaphor. No, no, it's a parallelism between the 1600 and the 21st century, 21st century. People in the 1600 were suffering a bad pestilence. We are suffering bad times. People in the 1600 asked Santa Rosalia to rescue the town of Palermo from the pestilence. We can say, we can ask the same.
Yeah.
And we ask Santa Rosalia to rescue all the people in the planet, because we are a big family, to enjoy better times, because everybody is tired of this crazy situation. Everybody would like to have a better opportunity to spend his life,
A normal life.
and normal life. Everybody misses his normal life. So we asked Santa Rosalia to stop this crazy situation as soon as possible. And
Because we miss you. We want to hug you again in our beloved island. We can wait to host you again. We miss you. We miss the acts and the kisses with our clients.
yeah, this is
because,
the most important thing.
Yeah.
We've been spending a great time with beautiful people in the last days, but we miss the acts. We miss the opportunity to feel the persons, to touch the persons.
I have to touch only Gianca. This is
And as you can,
only
as you know,
Gianca.
we are Latin people. Our lives are based on the touch.
Yeah.
We can't stay without touch each other.
Especially Sicilian people.
So now everybody is forced to stay at distance, to say hello with the hand. Usually we oh ciao ciao, how are you, ciao. A lot of hugs, a lot of
in
kisses.
some places of Sicily, we used to say to give 3 kisses. Mwah, mwah. And because for Sicilian people, 1 kiss is not enough. So we want to exaggerate every time.
We overdo every time. We overdo, and so we miss the normal life. And we ask Santa Rosalia to make perhaps another important miracle, not only for Sicilian or Palermitan people, but in general for everyone in the world, because everyone in the world deserves a better life. Because it's so sad. Everybody is living a partial life, mutilated life. It's something vacant, something without the essence of the life. We are not living fully important life now.
Yes.
So
And
please,
yeah.
I'm serious.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah. Also, Santa Rosalia is not only, we forgot to say this.
Please, Rosella, I would like to stay in silence for 60 seconds, okay? And I want to ask you, guys, please, the same.
Let's pray all together.
Your own prayer. No matter if you're Christians, you belong to other religions, make your own prayer to stop this crazy situation. Thank you, guys. Devo riprendere? So Rosella told me to translate this writing on the top of the entrance. Somebody asked the meaning of the writing. Dice Gesù, io sono la porta. Se uno entra attraverso di me sarà salvo. Entrerà e uscirà e troverà pascolo. It means more or less, Jesus says, I am the gate. If you enter through me, you will be rescued. You will enter and come out and you will find a better life. Ciao. Misericordia come il Padre. Leggiamo i commenti mentre scendiamo.
Sì, così cadiamo dalle scale. So it's a good idea. It's a junk idea just to see me fall down.
This is the perfect murder. So when Rosella...
I forgot to say, before to read the comments, I would like to say that we forgot to say that Santa Rosalia is also the patron saint of other towns in Sicily, such as Bivona, Delia,
Santo
Campo
Stefano
Felice,
di Quisquina,
of course, Santo Stefano di Quisquina, Vicari, Campo Felice di Roccella,
Racalmuto, the village of Leonardo Sciascia. the famous writer. So
And also in Venezuela.
and also in Mexico.
Yeah. In Mexico, in Chihuahua, maybe.
Chihuahua.
And then in three places in Venezuela, don't remember exactly the names, but so we can say that Santa Rosalia is an international saint.
He's a celebrity. Out of the joke, she's a celebrity because she is celebrated all around the world.
Yeah. And I know that in our beautiful family of Sicily lovers, there are a lot of people that have origin in Sicily, in particular in Palermo. And so we want to dedicate this live broadcast to all people that have a Sicilian origin, and in particular to people that have a Palermitan origin, because this mountain belongs to your ancestors. It's a place that, of course, your ancestors used to visit during his life.
So let me read some comments. Oh, I wanna say hello to a lot of people. Donna Naples, Roseanne, Tom McLean, Mary Parisi. No.
We can see the switch, and so I can read with you.
You wanna read with me?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, let's sit here.
Okay, guys.
Or just stay here.
This way.
And of course, the Sicily lover flag is always with us. Spread the love for Sicily with your family, with your friends, with everyone.
So let me switch and let me read. I'm wearing my glasses. What do you think about the red glasses? Red mask and red glasses with a gray man, gray dark man. This is the only color to give me a little bit of energy.
And younger.
So, youth. Let's start from the beginning. How many comments?
Yeah.
No. They are too much.
I think this place is very appreciated from our friends.
So
Not
let's.
this way, because you covered the camera,
Oh,
Gianca.
so you do it.
So
Lori, Francis Badalamenti, Roseanne, Joe Barber, Donna Naples, Victor Triolo. Oh, you're too much.
Joe Dorothy.
Mwah.
Mary, Leo
David, Sita Matteo Mule. Stanley Tucci in Sicily. Stanley Tucci is doing a great job.
This Sunday, 9 p.m. is time.
Stanley Tucci is promoting Sicily. He's doing a
Stanley
great
Tucci.
job.
Peter.
So, read a question.
Oh, let me
Fine.
read.
Oh, Andrew Verducci.
The
Good
Verducci
morning.
family is watching us.
Let me show the mountain.
Okay.
See, where are you going?
So Beverly, Roseanne, Leo. If you have some questions, please write in the comments. Oh, also a friend
Astrid.
from Puerto Rico. I love Sicily, beautiful place. Thank you.
Ciao, Astrid.
We want to visit Puerto Rico, maybe when the borders will be open again.
The 51st state, American state, you know? The 51 star in the Stars and Stripes flag.
Bravo, Gianca.
Debbie Crawford. Yeah. Mary Donna Moceri, I've been there many times, so beautiful, your tree is amazing.
I have a question. I would like to ask to our friends, how many of them have been here in...
how many of you are talking to
you,
our
of
friends?
Have been here in Mount Pellegrino? Do you already know this place?
Did you visit the sanctuary before? Did you visit the sanctuary yet? This is a must location. Actually, we have to say that many people skip this location from their tour. I don't know why, but it's so easy because it's about 10 minutes far from the city center of Palermo. So if you stay in
By
Palermo,
car, of course.
don't miss the opportunity to visit this place.
Yeah.
I would like to go, but in another time. I would like to go to the viewpoint, you remember Rosella, where you can see the entire northern coastline. It's here in Mount Pellegrino, but we should walk 40 minutes more.
Yeah.
It's a very, very beautiful location. You can see all the coastline from Mondello to till the Gulf of Castellammare del Golfo.
Yes, we
so
have
beautiful,
to
so
go
beautiful.
through a forest.
Yeah, you cross a sort of nature reserve with a lot of pines, and then you reach a viewpoint, a beautiful viewpoint with an amazing view. In another appointment, we will do it. So let's go ahead. Let's read other comments. My friend Susan Lombardo, mwah. Mary Parisi.
Oh, I missed this when I was in Sicily in 2019.
How cold is there? Donna asks. So Donna, we had a beautiful.
Vuoi salutare in America? Siamo in diretta in America.
Un saluto.
Allora.
Queen, I am a father. Queen, good night. Proprio a London, qua buone, a London, giorno.
Ciao, dici ciao.
Goodbye.
So Donna, we were talking about the weather. The weather, we had a beautiful February.
But not a really good March.
The end of February was fabulous. We had very mild temperatures. March, as always, is crazy. We had now again some rain. We had some windy days, and temperatures fell down again. So we are wearing heavy jackets.
Yeah.
Nothing compared to the Canadian or Wisconsin or Michigan temperatures, of course. So we are so lucky. But this is not our habitat, so
For me, it's very cold, of course.
We
so
feel cold.
I need to wear more than sweater.
Tom McLean.
Ciao, Tom.
So we have Philip Arcuria. Thank you for your feedback. Do it for me. Pat Denio.
Devi.
Yeah, this is the starting point where they are giving us feedback for the audio and for the video. Maureen, Anna Zuccaro, Pauline Di Leo, a lot of people. Paul Bordonaro, Pam Roland.
Judy Paveglio.
Yeah, everybody's praying for a better situation. Thank you for your beautiful words. Thank you for watching us. We hope you like this episode. Next time we should climb up the mountain, not on our knees, but walking. This is my promise. If the COVID situation will be over, Rosella and I. Rosella, are you with me?
Yes.
Do you agree?
I agree, but very slowly, please.
This is not so hard. A lot of people do it.
1 hour, more or less?
1 hour, one hour. We can do it, guys, to thank Santa Rosalia.
Yes.
If she gives us the opportunity to go over from this situation.
Yeah.
We have to come back here, not on our knees, but with a very pleasant walk.
Give me your hand.
This is an agreement. This is an agreement.
An official.
Official agreement. And go ahead, please.
in front of our beautiful friends.
Also in the Netherlands,
ne-
we
oh,
do
so
3
good.
kisses.
Perfect.
Ciao, Maureen. Joe Bordonaro. Judy Pavello. What the world needs now is
Is love.
Yeah, love and positive vibes. We only need energy to go ahead. But I think we can find the right energy inside us.
Yeah.
You don't have to find energy every else. How'd you
Yeah.
say? Elsewhere. Sorry.
Outside.
Not outside.
Yeah.
Inside, you can find all the energy of the world.
Yeah, you can find everything you need. White
White
feather.
feather. Mwah, ciao. Michael Curreri. I hope to get back to Sicily next year. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much, Michael.
We wait for you. Oh, my ancestors.
Joe Bordonaro. My ancestors are from Bagheria and Termini Merese. Rosella.
Check our past live broadcasts because I made at least 2 live broadcasts from Termini Merese.
At least 4.
Yeah, a lot of live broadcasts because, of course, I grew up there in Termini Merese, even if I'm from Caccamo, but I grew up there. And so you can check.
Then we have buona giornata dalla Florida. Andrew, you too.
Buona giornata.
Buona giornata dalla Sicilia.
Ma chi fa parlare antiche siciliano?
Ora,
Perché
ora.
Aidi ci parlo, ci metti sempre tu avanza la telecamera, ma come si fa a fare? La fare io, tu avanza la telecamera, non ce la metti.
Non la mettere su Irito, come si
Sì,
cancia
ma
qua,
è
come si
terribile
cancia?
questo. Ora ci parliamo un'anticchia in siciliano all'amici nostri, che ci piace quando io ci parlo in siciliano.
Ma tu sai che sta ballata è bella fredda e mi stai
c'avevo-
agghiacciando,
c'avevo-
non posso dire che cosa. I mean, the staircase is very cold and
Because the cobblestone is
my back, you know
It's
guys what I
frozen,
mean,
it's
is frozen. So it's completely frozen. Oh, let me see what Maureen is writing.
So-
I have only been one day to Palermo and didn't know this place, but also didn't have enough time to stay longer in Palermo. I only had 2 weeks and several bed and breakfasts were booked. So guys, this is an
2 weeks
important...
is the minimum amount of time frame to stay in Sicily.
This is
to
an
spend-
important question.
Yeah.
How many days you have to stay in Sicily? How many days your tour has to last? Guys, if you have 10 days, stay 10 days. If you have more, stay more. But if you have 1 week, frankly speaking, you will be rushing.
Yeah.
So if you wanna enjoy Sicily in the most relaxing way, please do it in the, how do you say?
More relaxing way.
So stay at least 10 days.
Yeah.
If you wanna visit, if you wanna see the essential locations. If you wanna go in deep, if you wanna see also other beautiful locations that are not in the tourism circuit, you should spend at least 2 weeks.
Yeah, and if you want to have an idea of our ideal tour of Sicily, you can check our website, bestthingsToDoInSicily.com, and check for Sicily vacation packages where you can find the Sicily Lover tour, and so you can check the itinerary and the schedule, so you can have an idea about what to do and what to visit in Sicily.
So it doesn't mean you have to book the tour with us. It's just an idea, a sample. So if you don't want to study in advance your next trip to Sicily, because Sicily requires a lot of study, it's a time-consuming job because it's so huge, so full of opportunities. So if you don't want to study, visit Sicily Lover. No, sorry. Best things to do in Sicily. This is
the
another.
The next one.
This is the
Gianca.
next one. No, I mean.
So far, we have best things to do in Sicily.com. Then on the navigator bar, you can check Sicily vacation packages, and you can find the Sicily Lovers Tour. You can download the schedule, and you can see the itinerary.
I think that schedule is more than a schedule.
40 pages.
You know, encyclopedia. It's full of beautiful pictures, advices for what you can buy, you can eat, you can visit in Sicily. So 41 pages of
Information.
everything. So
Yeah.
check it and let me know. Go ahead, please, Rosella. You speak in sing-song.
Ma che cos'è sta sing song? A mia muscia ricenno, Susan, che faccio sing song?
So, I promise you,
Da
Susan.
Banna, a Catania, non ci stiamo a fare sentire i cristiani che parlano un catanese, si cagando buoni.
One day, Rosella, we will do a live broadcast from Catania. Perhaps next week we will be there in the area of Catania, where people actually sing.
Yeah.
In Palermo we don't sing. In Palermo, yeah, of course, the Sicilian dialect, the Sicilian pronunciation is so funny for you, but there is a big difference
In
between.
particular, my pronunciation.
Of
My
course.
terrible
No,
English.
I mean when we speak in Italian. Of course, when we speak in English, we are very funny. This is no doubt.
But
no-
I thank you because you love me also in this way.
But we will go to the area of Catania. We will go to Catania, and I promise you guys, I will interview someone
Yeah.
who speaks the perfect dialect from the area of Catania.
Yeah.
They actually sing.
Yeah.
Tell me an example.
Che facciamo da banna compari?
And this is Catanese dialect. What do you say if you say in your dialect, in Termitano dialect?
Che facciamo da banna?
So feel the difference.
Che facciamo da banna a Baruzzo?
And then
Che facciamo da banna con me?
a little bit harsh, a little bit not so musical
Yeah.
as the eastern side of Sicily.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Tom, 3 weeks wasn't enough. You are right.
Tom,
Yes, Susan, you are right. 30 days is the perfect.
I used to
time.
say, I always say, I have 46 years. I'm 46 years old, and in my entire life, there is something that I never seen in Sicily. So Sicily requires a lifetime, not 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Mary Parisi says something about Terracini. Remember to go to your family's hometown. I spent 3 days in Terracini. Sure,
We went
Terracini.
in Terracini.
We've been
checked
there
the-
many times. We have many previous live broadcasts in Terracini, because Terracini is very close to the place where I live, to Carini, and this is the place where I used to swim every summertime. We have to go there very soon, because we have to. I think it's a beautiful location to make a shooting for our Sicily Lover project. With the beautiful Calarossa cliff behind us, I think it's a masterpiece.
It's a perfect place
Perfect.
for our shooting.
So we are
Shooting.
gonna shoot some shawls again, some bags, Sicilian bags, some
Earrings.
baby crochet clothes, and earrings, necklace, all the traditional Sicilian jewels, and it's a beautiful location. We have to go to the cathedral in Palermo also, in Cefalù,
Maybe
another
in Segesta.
in Segesta, in front of the temple of Segesta. So in the next days, in the next weeks, you will see beautiful
Weeks.
location.
Weeks.
Weeks. It's a It's a everlasting project. If you are wondering when you guys you finish your project, never, never. It's just like the endless story.
Yeah, but it will be the biggest online store.
Handmade, 100% handmade, handmade
With
in,
love
in
in
Sicily,
Sicily.
in Sicily, online store, because everything included is made by artisans, by artists.
Yeah.
And
Even
so,
the T-shirt, because this morning we went to visit
Gaia.
Gaia, our tailor.
yeah, we had a sort of fight yesterday with Frank Ragusa. Frank Ragusa
A friendly
is
fight, of course.
He's a celebrity in this community. He helps us to translate the contents of our next website.
The past, the next, every time.
And we wrote the word tailor regarding the making of t-shirts, and he said no, it's impossible because tailor they don't do it. Tailor only make
Sweets.
dresses.
Yeah.
And I said no, she's a tailor and she will make our t-shirts, because no industrial machines are involved in
Yeah.
this in the making of our t-shirts.
Yeah.
So we will use organic cotton, high quality textiles, a tailor who will create the t-shirt, and then another person, another artist who will paint our t-shirts.
Yeah.
So
our t-shirts, our Sicily Lover collection of t-shirts will be hand painted and
made
handmade.
and painted. And so I said, Frank, do you realize that we wanna overdo? So this is not a simple t-shirt.
And we traveled all around Sicily to find a tailor available to do t-shirt, because
actually nobody wants to do it. Nobody,
Yeah.
because it's, of course, it's not competitive, because also in Sicily the majority of t-shirts
are imported.
come from Middle East, from India, from
Bangladesh,
so
China.
they are very cheap, and so tailors don't want to do it because they spend a lot of time.
Yeah, too much effort without a right
Convenience.
gain.
Yeah, without gain. But in this case, we want to overdo, and we said we don't need to make a simple t-shirt. We also want to make it hand painted with the most typical Sicilian patterns and paintings, of course.
And so, be ready to enjoy your shopping.
Let's go ahead. Let's say hello to other people.
Oh, Susan, when you speak Sicilian, it sounds like singing.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Thank you, Mary. Thank you, Rosalba.
Polizzi Generosa, we went there this summer.
Yeah,
last summer.
Pat Denio, check the previous videos dedicated to Polizzi Generosa.
Live broadcast, but you are editing the video.
I'm also editing the video. Yeah,
maybe into months.
Into lifetimes, into lives. Yes, I have to edit yet. I have to edit a beautiful video dedicated to Polizzi Generosa.
Yes.
We've been there last summer during the event dedicated to Dolce & Gabbana.
Yeah.
But of course, as always, we shot a lot of clips, footages, and so.
Too many. That's the reason why you are not ready to edit this video.
But it will be a beautiful video, for sure.
Yeah, another promise.
Another promise. Joe Bordonaro, I also love the ancient Greek temples in Segesta and Agrigento. The area of Segesta is underrated, is correct? Sottovalutata, underrated. In my opinion, the archaeological site of Segesta is one of the best, the most beautiful in Sicily and in Italy. People used to go to develop the temple in Agrigento because it's so popular, but don't miss to visit Segesta.
Also,
I think it's so beautiful because you have a beautiful sea view, a beautiful landscape that surrounds the temple and also the Greek theater.
Yeah, and also the street, the highway is very easy. No,
Yeah. Segesta is very easy to reach. Segesta, if you get out, if you go out from the highway, it's just a couple of miles far away from the highway. When you go to Agrigento, you have to spend at least 2 hours and 40 minutes. So Segesta is easier, is closer to the highway. Let's go ahead.
Debbie, where do we go to order a T-shirt, Sicily Lovers?
Debbie, you have to be patient. Just
Yeah.
this. We are approaching to the goal, to the end. Our project will take off soon.
Yeah.
So be patient.
We are
just a little
working
bit.
night and day. Believe us.
We are completing our website.
Look at my eyes. It's so full of...
And I'm completing something important. I'm gonna publish some beautiful videos regarding the story behind each each artist involved in this project. Because this is not a simple online store.
Yeah.
We wanna show you the story behind the work, behind the product. So, for example, we've been shooting a lot of clips to Daniela, Ionella, Caterina, Claudio. They are, for example, the jewel maker, the pottery maker, the basket maker, the painter.
Also Cinzia
Cinzia Tombolo.
with the bobbin lace.
Do you remember Cinzia? She makes the art of bobbin lace. Absolutely masterpieces. So we've been there for a live broadcast, but also we shot a lot of footages, and now Gianca has to edit all the footages in a ultimate video because we want to show you the story behind the product. For us, we
want to preserve this ancient tradition that are going to disappear.
Because for us, the person behind the product is more important than the product.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, this is an important, as Rosella said, this is an important tradition. They are all important traditions. And we don't want to lose our ancestry, our heritage. So if you buy a pottery, a ceramic Moor's heads, okay, this is a product. But if you see who's working to, the story behind, the legend behind the product, all the people involved in the pottery making, in the decoration, in the painting, you appreciate more the product.
Yeah.
So, and because I love editing, I love shooting. So there are many reasons why we are doing this. We want to stand out of the crowd. We want to do it in a different way. I don't know why. Rosella, come finì qua? Quanto siamo? A quanto siamo?
Oh, a question from Tom. Any Sicilian coppolas?
Sure,
of
Tom.
Course.
We've been talking about the Sicilian hat, the coppola today, this morning, to give you many possibilities. So, for example, Daniela the person who's involved in the art of the hook, in the crochet.
Crochet,
She
yeah.
made for me a beautiful coppola by wool.
Yeah.
But of course, we are going to use the organic cotton too. We are gonna use the other textiles, for example, linen. So coppola for the winter time, coppola for the spring, and coppola for the summertime. Many
course.
options, many possibilities, many styles, many patterns. Just to say that coppola is one of the products that we are going to deliver to gift you, and the same story for the other thousands product. Ciao da Roma, vi invidio che siete chiusi nella... Cos'è che scrivete?
Alessandro, il mio amico.
Nella vostra meravigliosa regione. Effettivamente sì, siamo in
Siamo fortunati.
una meravigliosa prigione.
Esatto. Tom, I need one in red. It's perfect because red is our color, so it will be ready very soon.
Coppola for any
Yeah!
time.
Everybody wear the coppola.
Quanto ce l'hai la coppola? Sì, in macchina.
Yes,
let's take the coppola. Let's take the coppola soon. Tieni la chiave, se la trovo. Non lo so dove sono le chiavi.
Le hai messe in tasca?
Tieni qua un attimo, inquadrati.
Guys, I need to relax. Look at my... Come si chiamano questi? Come si chiamano questi in inglese? Dicetemi come si chiamano. Guardate, sono anziana diventata.
The lines of age.
The lines of age. So...
Old man, take a look at my life. I'm in a night you gone.
Ready for you, Tom.
The man in red. I prefer the woman in red, but it's okay.
Ah, così te la mettere. Te la mettere buona la coppola, non che te la metti che cosa attesata. Te la mettere buona, ah, così.
The Woman in Red, one of the best movies ever.
Allora, che facciamo? Acchianiamo?
Acchianiamo.
Amoni.
Che abbiamo comprato i tessuti, glielo facciamo vedere?
No, ora no.
It's a
secret.
Secret.
You are going to reveal too many things, Gianca. Keep the secrets for something. Oh, mo sapete che fa freddo. It's very cold for me. What's the time, Gianca?
4:20.
Wow.
4:20 in the afternoon.
Katie, love you guys made my day. Oh my God, thank you. You are so sweet. Everything we do with our arts, and we can feel your love, we can feel your energy, and that's the reason why we want to spend a lot of time with you. And so we have to thank you. So please don't thank us, don't, because we do with our hearts.
We have only one regret. We can spend more time with you. So if you have noticed the absence, our absence, that's because we are working on our new project, and it's a very time-consuming project because we wanna put the best. Oh, this is a beautiful view.
Oh, let me switch again. Sorry, guys.
Oh, there is the wild fennel. Wow!
Wow, aspetta, passami il finestrino che io... Ah no, io scusa, lo posso fare, non lo posso alzare.
Guys, look at the wild fennel. Ma è lui, Sì.
È bella la pasta di saldi con questa. Pasta finocchio e saldi. Pasta with sardines and fennels. Wild fennels.
Magari inquadri pure il panorama.
L'ho inquadrato.
Si vede lo stadio?
Eh...
Sì.
Dov'è? Ah, là.
Can you see the Favorita Nature Park, guys? With the Favorita Stadium, the place where the soccer football team from Palermo used to play. Now is empty, as the other locations, and this is the worst thing for us. I look forward to seeing my football team playing.
Ciao Jerry!
Ciao Jerry! Mwah! Oh, look at the beautiful rocks. So this is a nature reserve. I didn't mention it.
Yeah.
This is and another thing, guys. If you are passionate about cars, about car races, this is the location where a beautiful car race took place. Not now, not yet, but till the 80s. They used to climb the mountain with special rally cars, and it's one of the oldest races in the world, la cronoscalata di Monte Pellegrino. Just like the Targa Florio, another important car race in Sicily.
Vai piano perché la connessione si perde quando vai veloce.
Ok. And now we are coming back, we are getting back to the center of Palermo.
Yeah.
Downtown.
We have other 2 appointments for our project.
Yeah. But don't reveal the secrets. Ah, quello è il castello Otteveggio. Vediamo se riusciamo a inquadrarlo. Forse è troppo basso. No. Fai vedere il mare.
Mm-hmm. Vuoi che passo?
Another wild fennel, and that's the Utveggio Castle. Oh, there are many broken trees.
Yeah.
I think because of the wind.
Yes.
We
this
had
year too much wind.
We had the very, very hard wind blowing, and this is the result. So that's the Gulf. No, it's not the Gulf. This is the coastline from Palermo to Cefalù. Vabbè. Guarda questo qua che sale con la bici.
Good luck.
A lot of people used to climb the mountain by bike. I have a cousin, Alessandro La Rosa. Alessandro, if you are watching, Alessandro is one of them who used to climb the mountain by bike.
So now you know that if you come to Palermo, you have to spend at least one afternoon here in Mount Pellegrino.
At least 1 hour. It's very easy. And I hope you guys, you get Mount Pellegrino when everything is over, so you have the possibility to have a lunch there, to enjoy the view during a beautiful sunny day with other faithful, other people, because as you can see, there is nobody now. We are in the orange level, so it's the third level of dangerous of the virus, but we don't know why, guys, because Sicily was out of the pandemic, but we are following the government, the Italian government rules, the Italian government restrictions.
Yeah.
And so they said all the entire country has to come back to the lockdown.
Because
and so
the Easter time is coming, and so
it's risky. They are afraid that people can share the virus, and so they decided to close everything again. It's a pity, guys. But we want to stay positive, we want to stay optimistic.
and I will spend my birthday in lockdown because my birthday is just the day after Easter, and so during the 2 days dedicated to Easter, we will be in a red zone, so it will be a total lockdown, and so I will spend my birthday in lockdown, Gianca. At the same way the last year.
Cosa ti devo dire? How can I say?
Stanno però la torta mi prepari tu. L'anno scorso mi feci io la torta. Stanno mi prepari tu. So last year
She wants me, I make her own cake. Her
yes.
birthday cake.
Yeah, because last year I prepare my own cake by myself. And so this year, I would like to ask you if you can prepare my birthday cake.
It's your risk. If you are confident, if you believe in me, I can do it. But please, then don't make any complaint, because I'm not a chef, and so I don't guarantee nothing.
But I can appreciate your effort. Don't worry. Jerry is asking me when is your birthday? So my birthday is on 6th of
6th of
April.
April the 6th.
April the 6th.
Look at the sun ray on the coastline. A beautiful sun ray is shining right there.
Yes, Donna, you are right. Last year you made pasta on Easter. Yes, last year we made a beautiful live broadcast dedicated to pasta cufuna nell'ette al forno.
The baked pasta, the baked traditional Sicilian pasta.
The ring-shaped
pasta. We can do it again. Perhaps another traditional recipe, Rosella.
But this time I think people want to see you cook.
People want me to cook. Okay.
Yeah.
I will try. But I think today I'm making too many promises. So perhaps I ask Santa Rosalia again for help, for a miracle.
Joe Bordonaro says, Gianca works with stones, not cake.
Joe, you're right. I need Santa Rosalia's help to cook.
Yes.
Actually, I can do the essential things. I'm not so bad. Actually, I can do it. But I should improve to be a chef. I don't want to be a chef. But I can say, if I have to survive, I can cook. And nobody can say, oh, you're good, you're bad. No, I do it for my own. So, Rosella, please, if you want me to cook, accept the result.
I think that our Sicily lovers want the virtual cooking class also.
Ci fermiamo un attimo e salutiamo da qua.
Sì, sì.
Ok, così facciamo un saluto bello col panorama. Forza!
E una foto non sguardiamo.
E la foto. Piglia da mascherina, piglia da una pasticchia.
Tagliate chi su belli sti spini.
Chiudi. Rai, Italian
Rai.
television.
The Italian television. We lost them for...
We came first. Rai, Italian television came second. So, assettamoli. Assettati, così. Sit down, my friend.
Are we friends?
No.
I don't want to be your friend.
We are not related, we are not connected. She's my plug. Always with me, always. Just like a pestilence. So this is the beautiful view of Palermo from not the top, we are about couple hundred, no, 300 feet, no more. We are so low. But you can see behind us the harbor of Palermo. You can see Monte Grifone, that one, and the coastline till I see Capo Zafferana, Casteldaccia, Santa Flavia, that Bagheria. I switch, guys.
Yeah.
Because
For
I
a
wanna
better
show
definition. Yeah.
I wanna show all the villages. So that's the end of Palermo, more or less, there. And then this is Misil Mary, Villa Abate. This is Bagheria. And that's Zafferano Cape, Capo Zafferano, with Casteldaccia. Then we have Altavilla Milicia,
San Nicola, Trabbia,
San
and over there,
Nicola, and all
Termini
the villages. Direction to the east, to Messina and Catania.
Ooh, very windy. Ooh, I'm frozen.
Don't lose your that cat, please.
No.
Guys, what about the audio? We are wearing that cat.
I don't like this name.
They name it in this way. Ciao.
Ciao.
Ok, switchiamo e salutiamo.
We love you.
Guys,
Thank you for your love. Thank you for your energy. Thank you for following us.
thanks for watching
Yes.
so far, because
Yeah.
it's a long live broadcast.
Yes.
But we filled our art with energy and good vibes,
Yeah.
and that's the most important thing for us. As Rosella said, we live for this. This is our fuel, our energy. So thank you for giving us your energy.
If you want to help us, please share this live broadcast put your thumb up and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We are going to upload this live broadcast as well, and so please thumb up and subscribe and share and spread love for Sicily.
Guys, we love you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all your love. And see you the next one. I don't know. Perhaps tomorrow. We have a surprise for the feast of San Joseph. La festa di San Giuseppe. Noi in Sicilia ne mangiamo.
Una bella cosa, non nurire. I romani vi facciamo a birra.
Delicious sweet.
Ora appena chiamiamo a casa, ripassaggio o domani mattino, vedremo se la troviamo e ne accattiamo una poco di queste cose e vi facciamo a birra.
See you tomorrow. Ciao guys.
Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao.